Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E6s, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and an SD card into this device. So, to get started you will need to get one of these, a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So from there, once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push it in and the tray pops out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, as you can see, and SD card. I'm going to occupy one of each. Now when it comes down to the SIM, make sure that it is correctly in the tray. It does have a little bit of a resistance so it doesn't fall out when you flip it over. But also if you just place it, it won't be fully in there. And that will then cause you to not be able to insert the tray all the way. So make sure it's in there fully. If the tray isn't going in easily, then that means that one of the cards might have come loose a little bit. So just make sure it's on there correctly. From there, once you insert it, both of the cards should start working right away. So it's already looking for reception. And also it detected SIM card. Oh, there we go, we have actually a pop-up with the SIM. So update preferred SIM card. I mean, I only have one, so not exactly sure what their deal is. Anyway, and as you can see, there was the notification about SIM card, or from the SIM card basically. So yeah, both of them are working just fine. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.